Hey, what are we doing out here? What are we gonna do today?
We've got another project.
Yes, I love projects. So much fun. What is our project today?
Zip Dee Awning. We bought a Zip Dee Awning shade that we're gonna put on.
The Solar
Solar
Shade. So what do you need for this?
Well, we pulled out the instructions. Really simple to install. 9/64 bit drill bit. Check. But apparently you need a pop rivet gun. And owning an Airstream, we never thought about buying a rivet gun.
I think the best part is that we thought we had one.
We looked all over.
So go get one.
All right.
And we'll be back.
Be right back.
Well, we're back.
It's been a week and a half.
Maybe since we last discovered that we didn't have
Rivet gun.
a rivet gun. So we got a rivet gun from
Amazon.
Yeah, we'll put a link to that down below. Just in case you need a rivet gun, you should check to see if you have one.
Never assume.
So now let's get ready. What do we do first?
Oh gosh, the instructions were pretty complicated.
Yeah, so
3 steps.
yes.
So the important thing that I can see is placement. Placement is everything because this is only 10 feet long.
Correct.
Our awning is
14 and a half.
14 and a half feet.
Right.
So it doesn't go end to end. So you're like, well, all right, where do I want to put it? Well, initially I thought, my belief was, well, you center it. Duh.
Yes.
But then I got to thinking, well, now you're blocking entrance into your door, right?
Okay.
You're creating a blockage that you have to go around to get into your door.
All right.
How about if we shift it from the door on and see where we end up?
So do you think you want to put it so that it starts at the end and see where it ends up?
Yes.
Okay.
And we can always just hold it up in place and take a look at it.
Why don't we do that?
Let's do that.
All right.
Be right back.
Okay. All right, so I think this would work, right? So it shades most of underneath the awning, but still leaves a path to the door.
It's perfect for a door entrance.
I think so. All right. So we decided instead of starting with the center snap, because you would start with the center snap if you're going to center it across your awning, we're going to start at the end and go towards the door. So we're going to start with the end snap. Now this works if you're going to do what we do, where we're starting at this end and we're going that way with our snaps. We're not centering it on the awning. So Barry is going to drill the first hole for the snap at the end.
Kind of scary because remember our motto? No new holes. Here we go. Oh, what am I doing? So you basically want to center it within the diameter of this, whatever this thing is called. And you go right there and drill. Done deal.
That was it.
That is a cheap drill bit.
Oh.
This must be a Harbor Freight. Sorry.
Come on now. We love Harbor Freight. All right. So what's next? You need the...
You're going to do the rivet gun because she's the rivet expert.
Apparently.
Apparently.
All right. So here we go. You know, this is tricky because this awning flap balance or whatever is... Maybe I get this tall guy to hold this out of the way. All right. So you're going to press the rivet gun a couple of times. First release it. Oops.
You push against you. Wow, that was quick.
All right. Okay. Snap installed. Okay, and now we're going to measure along the awning rod for where this next snap goes. Preloaded rivet gun. We're going to let Barry try riveting.
This is my first time riveting.
Uh-huh.
There you go.
Well, that wasn't so terrible. I think pretty much anybody could do that, right?
As long as you have a rivet gun.
You have a rivet gun and a drill. The drilling is not terrible. Have a good drill bit. That would
Don't
be
go
our
cheap.
that would be our advice. And the rivet gun, a couple of squeezes, it pops the rivet, and like any other rivet, if you've done rivets before, it'll be the same thing. Snap it from the top down and release the snap from the bottom up. It apparently is designed that way.
Yeah, you can't, the conventional ones where you just push straight on, that doesn't work. You have to hook the top, push it in.
Right.
Holds quite well.
So the awning shade also came with 3 stakes and some tie down cable.
Rope.
So you could, I mean, we're in our driveway, so we can't really stake it to the driveway. But if you're on grass at a campground or boondocking or whatever, you can stake it to the ground to keep it from swaying. If there's not a lot of wind, you really don't need to do that. That's not a big deal.
Yeah.
So-
Some people just leave them hanging.
Yeah. I ordered this directly from Zip-D. There, you can get it other places. I think Airstream Life Store is another place. Same price everywhere. It comes in either brown or gray, and it comes in either 10 or 15 foot wide lengths. You have to measure your awning to see which one is best for you. Obviously, since our awning is 14.5 feet, the 15 foot solar shade would be too long. So we went with the 10 foot, clearly. So we need to go try it out at somewhere maybe that's not our driveway.
And it being 90 degrees on hot asphalt.
Yeah, we're a little sweaty. So if you liked this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, how about subscribing? Why not? Wouldn't that be great? And how about hit the bell? If you hit the bell, you'll get a notification that we put out a new video and you get to watch it right away.
Oh boy.
And this guy would be so happy, I won't be able to stand it. And as always,
Thanks for being our guest.
yeah, thanks,
Bye,
guys.
everybody.